Hi, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to do a background removal in Photoshop. First, open the photo in Lightroom and apply basic adjustments to it, balancing out the exposure, making sure that the subject has enough brightness. Move it to Photoshop. Right-click and select Edit in Adobe Photoshop. In Photoshop, duplicate the photo and select the subject using the pen tool. Start at the edge of your subject or a suitable starting point and click to start the first anchor. Then start working your way around your subject, adding additional anchors to start outlining your subject. If you need to make a curved line, click, hold, and drag to produce a curved line, moving the mouse to adjust the curve as needed. Keep on tracing until you meet the starting point. When you are done, right-click and select Make Selection. A dialog box will open and input the feather radius, then click OK. To remove the background, reverse the selection by clicking Ctrl-Shift-I and press the Delete button on your keyboard. If you wish to save this without background, just proceed to save it as PNG. Click on File, then Save as Copy, and change its type to PNG. And if you want to replace the background, just add a new blank layer and paint it with color. Or add the background image that you want to use. And there you go. That's how you do a background removal in Photoshop. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one.